Cloud-to-ground lightning. Cloud-to-ground lightning is the type most people imagine when they think of lightning. It starts inside a storm cloud and travels toward the ground. Even though it looks like the bolt moves downward, the bright flash you see is actually the return stroke racing back up after the path is made. This type can strike trees, buildings, and open land, making it one of the most dangerous forms of lightning. Cloud-to-cloud lightning. Cloud-to-cloud lightning jumps from one cloud to another without touching the ground. It happens when two nearby clouds have opposite electrical charges. During large thunderstorms, these flashes can stretch across the sky for several kilometers. They help balance electrical energy between clouds and are often seen before or after heavy rain. Intra-cloud lightning. Intra-cloud lightning stays inside a single cloud. It is the most common type of lightning on Earth. Instead of reaching the ground, the electricity moves between different charged areas within the same cloud. Because the flash is hidden by the cloud, it often lights up the entire cloud from the inside like a giant glowing lantern. Cloud-to-air lightning. Cloud-to-air lightning travels from a cloud into the surrounding air. It happens when there is enough electrical difference between the cloud and the air around it. Since it does not connect with another cloud or the ground, it often looks like a bright branch reaching out into the sky before disappearing. Ball lightning. Ball lightning is one of the rarest and most mysterious types of lightning. People describe it as a glowing ball that slowly floats through the air. Some reports even claim it has entered buildings through open windows. Scientists are still studying this strange phenomenon because it is so rare and difficult to observe. Sheet lightning. Sheet lightning is not actually a different kind of lightning. It is ordinary lightning hidden behind clouds. Instead of seeing a clear bolt, the entire sky lights up with a soft glow. The clouds spread the light, making it look like a giant glowing sheet across the sky. Forked lightning. Forked lightning is easy to recognize because it splits into several branches. As electricity searches for the easiest path through the air, it creates multiple paths that spread outward, like the branches of a tree. This branching shape is what gives lightning its famous zigzag appearance. Ribbon lightning. Ribbon lightning appears as several lightning bolts running side by side. This happens when strong winds push each new lightning strike slightly to one side. Instead of overlapping, the flashes separate just enough to create a ribbon-like pattern across the sky. Bead lightning. Bead lightning appears just after a normal lightning bolt begins to fade. Instead of disappearing smoothly, parts of the bolt remain brighter than others. This makes the lightning look like a string of glowing beads for a brief moment before it vanishes completely. Spider lightning. Spider lightning spreads across the sky with long, thin branches that resemble the legs of a spider. Most of the flash travels sideways through the clouds instead of downward. It can cover huge distances and is often seen during large thunderstorms. Anvil crawler lightning. Anvil crawler lightning moves across the flat upper part of a thunderstorm cloud known as the anvil. These lightning bolts can travel for many kilometers, creating spectacular patterns that stretch across the night sky. Because of their long paths, they are sometimes called mega flashes. Heat lightning. Heat lightning is simply ordinary lightning from a distant storm. The storm is so far away that the thunder cannot be heard, but the flashes are still visible. Many people think it is caused by hot weather, but it is really just lightning happening far beyond the horizon. Volcanic lightning. Volcanic lightning forms during powerful volcanic eruptions. As ash, rock, and tiny particles collide inside the eruption cloud, they build up electrical charges. When enough charge gathers, lightning flashes through the ash cloud, creating one of nature's most dramatic sights. Red sprites. Red sprites are giant flashes of red light that appear high above thunderstorms. They occur far above the clouds in the upper atmosphere and last only a fraction of a second. They were once considered a mystery because they are difficult to see from the ground. Blue jets. Blue jets shoot upward from the tops of thunderstorm clouds instead of downward toward the earth. They can reach heights of nearly 50 kilometers and glow with a bright blue color. Unlike ordinary lightning, they connect storms to the upper atmosphere. Gigantic jets. Gigantic jets are among the largest electrical discharges on Earth. They begin at the top of a thunderstorm cloud and travel all the way into the upper atmosphere. Some can reach heights of around 90 kilometers, making them much taller than ordinary lightning bolts.